This 2023 Newmar Kountry Star 3717 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Ansel Decor, Toffee Glazed Maple Hardwood-MF interior, sleeps 4, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, smoke detector, TV antenna, slideout, water heater, awning, LP detector, Colorado detector, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Kountry Star 3717 is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.